Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the metal or the metal DAO. I'm not sure what the official name is right now. The MTL token, yeah, metal DAO. Had to do a full video on that. I mean, right now it's been very, very bullish, and we'll talk about why it has been bullish. But the volume right now is also close to $500 million. And I think it's going to crash very hard soon. But we'll talk about that because it could also still rally up. I know it sounds weird, but I'll do a full analysis, and in the end you will be prepared for it, hopefully. But yeah, there's quite a lot we need to talk about, including the reason why we are bullish like this. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. So first of all, Metal DAO is manipulated, all right? Very, very manipulated. And that's very easy to spot. Even on CoinMarketCap, you could spot it right now. Or you can actually not, but you can see. I mean, I told you this before in videos on ARPA and linear finance. Right now, if you check out Metal DAO, you can see that 75% of the volume comes from Binance. And then you can see, well, how much is that? $112 million. That's not 75% of $420 million in volume, right? So what I always do with coins like this is I check out CoinGecko. CoinGecko is way better to actually check out volume and to see the volume distribution. So if you check it out there, I will guarantee that we will have other results. You check out markets, and then you'll see that a lot of volume is coming from Upbit, way more than Binance is. Well, it's not even there on Binance. BitDump is about the same. It's that 12 million mark, but 250 million more than that is coming from Upbit. Usually, if a lot of volume is coming from Korean exchanges, it's manipulated. All right, don't ask me why. Just know that it's true. So now the big question is can we actually be manipulated even more? Because that's a possibility. I mean, we've seen it with ARPA, we've seen it with linear finance. There, the volume distribution was a little bit different. Like when the volume distribution is like this. So when there's a lot of volume coming from specifically Korea, usually you don't get huge rallies. You just get spikes like this. But right now we've actually been holding our levels. So the only way to accurately analyze this and to make some money off of it is to wait for a confirmation. So right now, if we take a look at the price, what we're doing or what's happening is that we're stuck between two levels. We're stuck between this level right here, between 1.45 and 1.42, and I'm actually going to highlight that for you. And then we have a little bit of a resistance level right here between 1.55 and 1.6. Those are the two levels. And I would always advise you to wait for confirmation. All right, so what's going to happen with metal is that we're either going to have a bearish breakout or we're going to have a bullish breakout. If we're going to have a bearish breakout, so if on the 4-hour time frame we break down below this level here at 1.42, then we'll probably drop down to 1.35, find some support there. But if we are not able to regain that level, so if we take that break retest, it's over, and we're just going to drop down to levels around 1.2, and probably it will take a little bit longer, but probably also down to 1.1. So that's one scenario, if it's confirmed that we get a bearish breakout through 1.42. On the other hand, we've actually been holding our levels fairly well, right? I mean, even with the bearish momentum in the markets, we've been holding the levels. So if we can actually break above this level right here, let's say above 1.57, then we can actually get up higher towards 1.75 and 1.8. And we can get even higher than that, but then I'll just make a new update on that. I mean, you can see historically, we've had crazy things happen in the past, right, with metal. So it's not out of the question. But yeah, it's waiting for that. It's waiting for that confirmation. And then once you have that confirmation, you can potentially, with some good risk management, make some good trades on it. But that's my take on metal for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.